friends, so welcome back to my channel. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. So today in my video I am gonna tell you something related to speaking English. Okay, every learner want to learn English, but they are not keen to learn a grammar rules. So then I decided I will make the video related the grammar rules. So as for some tutors, as for some peoples who are learning English, they say like this: grammar is not important. But according to me, grammar is important for those people who don't have any environment, even person. They are learning English by yourself at their home. So that's why environment is very important. And another second hand, you have a good environment, you have a good circles related to speaking English. Every person speak English around you. Okay, so that time environment is not more much important. Okay, but when you started speaking English at your home without having the environment, without having the any person with whom you can speak English, so that time environment is very important. So I talk about the grammar rules, which things are very important to enhance your spoken English related to grammar rules. So that one, some tense and passive, conditional, and present participle, participles. Okay, and another thing, some you are required to speak English as a some models, conditions. There are so many aspects for speaking English, and you have to learn everything after knowing these types of knowledge as related to grammar rules. So that times you can speak English very well, according to me, as far as I know, because I have experience when I started my journey. So that time I have learned lots of things related to grammar portion. So after that I can speak English well, but I'm not that much good, but I can speak handle. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So firstly, you should some knowledge about the tense. What is the tense? Tense is what are you doing in the time. Okay, and which time do you have when you do the work. So you tell something like this, so it's called a tense, according to me, as far as I know. Okay, and what are you doing this time? You, because when you have the habit to do, so that time it's called a present indefinite sentence. And another things, when you are doing the work as a continuously, so that time you can say like a continuously sentence. So there are so many rules behind it which you have to follow in your spoken English, for your spoken English. Sorry, yeah, that's it. And yes, and another thing, passive. What is the difference between active and passive? Active is a which you are doing, and it's called a active. Okay, and another second hand, what is the meaning of passive? Passive is when you receive, so it's called a passive. Like this: मुझे मारा जा रहा है, मुझे पीटा जा रहा है. I am being beaten, मुझे गालियां दी जा रही हैं. I am being scolded, मुझे रोज गाली दी जाती है. I am abused. Okay, and मुझे डांटा जा रहा है. I am being scolded. So you can say something like this. Okay, and another thing, model. When you say like a abilities and orders, request, and possibilities, and desired, and as well, I would say, when you give the permission to other person, when you give the bless to other person, when you give the curse to other person. So these types of situation, when it comes, when it comes in front of your eyes, so that time you can say as a model. Okay, so I think a model are very important, as well condition also. Condition is very important. When you assume like this, I wish I could learn English very well. अगर मैं ये होता तो मैं ये करता. If I were a prime minister, so I would do this thing. Okay, so you can something like this. When you can the imagination, you can you are doing the imaginations at the present, in the past, something like this. Okay, so you can say like this is a condition, and you have to learn lots of things. After that you can start speaking English. Okay, I'm not telling to you firstly you have to learn grammar and subsequently you have to learn you have to start speaking. No. Okay, when you start learning the grammar rules simultaneously, you can start speaking. So that's how you can grab any knowledge. You can grab lots of things. You can grab the knowledge, you can grab the lots of confidence while speaking English in front of other people. As for no, I have experience, so that's why I'm telling to you. Okay, so please go ahead and practice in your life and practice your spoken English, and please don't think another person, and don't listen to other person. You don't have more, you don't have, you don't learn more much grammar rules, because grammar rule is very important for me especially. Okay, because I don't have any partner, so grammar is very important as well. It has been good for me. Okay, so that's why I can speak English well. So if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment and your like is very important for me. So please do the comment and do the like. So please. Okay, so till then, bye bye.